This is definitely a unique drive, everyone. Oh, I just remembered, it does not like going into first gear unless you're practically at 0. My gosh, it's literally driving around like in a boat, but it's so freaking awesome. Making sure my full headlights are on. Yeah. You have to readjust yourself to make sure you're on the left hand side. Oop. Accidentally had the indicators on then. Whoa. The car shakes around a lot when you give it some throttle. I prefer the blue. It's definitely my favorite color on this. In a weird way, I feel like this car is basically made for second gear. It's not really made for first or third. Only after a certain speed would you go up to third. The majority of the time I think you would be happy in second gear with this car. My gosh, the steering wheel, everything, it's such a unique drive. When I first drove this, I found it so uncomfortable, so unusual, but now that I'm driving it, it's growing on me a bit more. I do quite like it. I've gotten a bit more used to it now, but it's a really short drive. But yeah, everyone, this is a really short drive. I just thought I'd show you all what the ambient lighting looks like now that it's all been installed. I hope you all did like this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. This is awesome. I'm just filming this purely out of curiosity now as to how this is like for me. Can I do it? Can I not? really want to park this car next to the Datsun, just to see what these two look like next to each other. I think we'll call it a day here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put the car into reverse just to ensure the gearbox doesn't give way. And I just want to make sure the handbrake doesn't give way. Actually, very quickly, let's see what this lighting looks like. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing.